A studio artist unpacks with care. Remove the bow first. Do not damage the horsehair. Place it carefully to one side. Unzip the case. If it gets stuck, persist. Lift the lid and slide the instrument out. Using 2 hands, hold on to the handle, which is of course the neck, and grasping it like an infant, place it to one side. Close the case, place it to the other side. Do not touch the dog. Set the instrument in front of you, loosen the end pin, and set it to its prescribed length. Tighten the bow screw to its prescribed tension. Now you are ready to begin. You are thirsty. You need a beverage. What should you do? To protect your instrument, place it on your lap. Put the end pin in. Tighten the end pin. Place it carefully, parallel to your chair, on the left-hand side. Take your bow with 2 hands and place it atop the instrument. Walk around carefully so as not to disturb your instrument. Get a drink of water and then return. Alternatively, place the bow on the seat, lift the instrument, holding on to the handle, which is of course the neck. Take a promenade. Practice your walking. 2-hand carry. Place the scroll of the instrument on the chair. Walk behind the chair and get some water. If you are an individual of short stature, here is yet another way to take a break. With your instrument safely stowed, stand up, 2-hand carry, place it parallel to your chair. Always, always put in the end pin. It is a tripping hazard. Take 2 hands, take your bow, and place it carefully on the top of your instrument. Cut a wide berth around your chair and your instrument. Take a break. Under no circumstance should your instrument ever stand up by itself on one leg. This puts it in great peril. Do not drag or scrape your instrument on the floor. Never use the weight of your body to return your end pin to its place. When eating or drinking, wash your hands before touching your instrument. Whether carpet, hardwood or linoleum, never drop your bow. Instead, create a cello shelf by placing it gingerly on your lap. If you must put it on the floor, do so gently. Do not rest the bow with the tip down. Put it on your knee, like a flagpole, in rest position. When you are finished playing for the day, take a soft microfiber cloth and wipe your instrument thoroughly in any place where your hands have touched, the neck, the top, the strings, and do not forget your bow. Rosin buildup is a silent killer. When packing up, reverse the order of operations. End pin goes in, tighten the end pin. Using 2 hands, grasp the handle, which is of course the neck, and place it gently in the case. Replace the top and zip. Loosen the bow until the horsehair is relaxed. Cover the Velcro and replace the bow in its proper place. Put your cloth in the case to use it for the next time.